Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. In this video I'm going to talk about the Euro USD technical analysis. Guys, the 7th March 2019 video is live on YouTube. I have provided the swing trade on YouTube about Euro USD. Yesterday we have seen the drop on Euro USD, and I have already mentioned last night that the drop will not further continue. This is the best time to enter into the swing trade, and that was a buy trade suggested from my side. You can just check my previous video that I have posted in my technical analysis on 7th of March 2019. And guys, with the grace of God, you can clearly see that Euro USD has finally moved up, and now we are going to attach the Fibonacci. So that first of all we have a look on the Fibonacci, the first indicator. Okay, so guys, look, that was the 0% level that it has maintained on that time. After that we have seen that the market was bouncing up, and then it breaks the 23.6 level. That was a clear message that it's going further up, and then it tested the 38.82%. and now if you look at the previous candle, the previous candle is closed above the 38.2%. so further chances are there to get some upward momentum, but overall the swing has already occurred, so it's not the very good best time to buy the pair, but overall the swing has completed. Now we are going to check this thing as per the 200 Forex Web system, so that you know that we can see what the 200 Forex Web system says. Okay, now if you look at here, when the market has a drop, it have entered into the oversold levels, and from the oversold levels the market started to make a bullish momentum, and you can clearly see that the market has moved up. Now I'm going to attach the scalper here. That's the paired indicator already with the price pips hunter. Now a few hours ago, you can say not few, many hours ago, the scalper has pointed you with a buy signal in the form of white arrow, and guys, you can clearly see, look how swiftly the market has went up. So guys, that is why I say these indicators are best for swing trading. If you are able to take a swing, then this is the wise decision to get these indicators and enter into the market. And you can check my predictions. I am also using the indicators as well as I am using the knowledge by myself, and then I am predicting the market. So guys, must consult the video that I have posted on 7th of March, so that you can understand that how this video is relating with the previous video that I have posted yesterday. Overall guys, this is about the analysis on Euro USD. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to get Forex video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Guys, please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.